This is it.
Yep,
this
is it. This is it.
Yes!
Get your popcorn ready.
Finally. Siren somewhere.
Oh no. This town's gonna be okay then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're fine.
Are you sure?
There we go. Yeah, it should go to the north unless it just turns into a ridiculous right. That's on the ground. It's gotta be. There's gotta be some circulation on the ground. Oh yeah.
There we go.
There. It's about to become. It's about to become.
You mind if I'm zoomed in?
Yeah, zooming like. Somebody's there.
I wonder if you could try to be like zooming in as much as possible, and the other people should be.
What is that? Oh my gosh, this actually could become huge.
I hear tornadoes. This is the closest it's been so far.
This could really get big.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this really.
This is gonna be huge. This is gonna be huge.
Oh
my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, I can take it back over.
Okay, it's zoomed out.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh Lord, let the rain not come. Something is on the ground, I swear.
It is. Yes, it is. Look right over, right over that barn.
Yeah, we stuff rising off the ground now. Yeah.
Oh, it's a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, more.
Because we saw an EF4 a month ago, so yeah, this is just kind of. It's huge. We'll see.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's on the ground.
That's bonus right there.
There we go. All right. He's moved up a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. I'll extend
Take over.
Take over. Okay.
As long as you don't make fun of it.
Doesn't happen too often. At least last year it didn't.
Last year. We're gonna get all of that, but this is gonna turn into. No one. It's like even looking at it.
I can't believe all the traffic on this road. They're just like not phased by it. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
What do you think?
There it is. You got it?
Yeah.
Your Brotherville Average Trail. It's about to be rain wrapped.
No. No, look at this.
This is horrible.
No, it looks that's amazing. Look at this.
No, the rain.
Oh, well, it's still.
The rain's about to overtake it.
Don't be complaining about the rain. There's a freaking tornado on the ground. Okay.
New Mexico.
Yep, this was a Tatum tornado actually.
Oh wow. Right over this guy. Guys, this is gonna go right over. This is gonna go right over us.
Brandon, stay right with us, okay?
Be ready to move. Be ready.
Come on, baby!
Brandon, you have to stay with us on this.
Yeah, don't worry. I don't think I'm gonna sit back on.
Okay.
This is right here in front of us.
Oh!
Ridiculous!
Oh, there we go.
Daniel,
There we go.
Daniel, can I see the camera? Don't take pictures!
Wait.
Daniel, take pictures if you don't have a camera.
Yeah, no more lines. Don't worry about it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Why not? No one else is doing it.
Oh my god. I'm not looking at the hill. Daniel, take pictures.
I gotta go down where you guys are.
Oh my god, I didn't put my pants. Keep coming for us.
This said record on your lens, right, Daniel? Making sure.
Definitely says record.
Okay.
A little red.
Oh,
there it is.
This is getting good.
Oh,
Oh wow. You can zoom in on that too if you want.
oh yeah.
It's still on the ground.
We're fine. It's right in front of us. I don't think it's gonna be behind us. We're getting hit by our. Here's.
tornadoes back here, guys.
You sure?
Yeah.
This is rotation, though. I think we're getting hit with RFD. This would be rotation. Isn't that rotating?
I think everything's rotating. Hang on. What's right out there? There's something. Well, see, look, I can see the funnel rotating over here.
What are they doing?